Y'all, I am at the airport right now. Check out my new glasses. Hey. I'm so excited. I am going to San Francisco to see my best friend. So, wish me luck, because going through check-in and, taking off her shoes and all that fun stuff was a little rough. People are angry and I don't understand. Why are you angry? Okay. Alright, I'll see you guys later. It's so cool.
Oh, it's okay. You can keep going. You're no. You're taller.
I got a taller.
Okay, cool.
It's the birthday girl.
Look at a little fog going on down there. Look at that. It's like something grass and culture.
Dang, professional.
Yeah, got to be professional right now. The most rare of animals. The daisy sensitivis. Because of the velociraptor. You remember at the Oceano? This right here is bananas, you guys. Yeah, that's a banana.
Oh, yeah?
I just didn't notice
this.
In San Salvador, he has this tree.
What?
So he gets his bananas from there. And
That is
that's
so
where the
cool.
tamales.
Hey, the food of our people.
Our culture.
Oh, I tipped my nose against there's a bunch of bananas.
Ooh, it does smell.
Bananas!
Like the banana leaf
serum on
from our
me.
tamales.
See? Central America.
Hey.
And that's where the Aztecs began to make their chocolate from the bean. Oh my god.
Whoa, this is a whole new area. This thing.
Feels so good in here.
It feels so different.
It's so weird outside.
Oh, it's a mom. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's a moth.
But it's not.
No, but I didn't get it. I was like, what do you mean it's a moth? I get it now. Oh, the yanya. Guys, we had like some champagne before we came here for my best friend's birthday, and we're all feeling it. So, but we are here at the Conservatory of the Flowers in some park in San Francisco, and it's so beautiful in here. Look, it's like a greenhouse.
It's like little peppers.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Feels like a saltwater in here. Come, Nappy. Oh my god, I want to.
Ew, it is moist in here.
This is how it's all
I want lily pads.
It's a very sweet smell that certain insects smell, and so when they get in here, there's a serum-like substance that traps them. And
called
get stuck
semen.
down there.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
like science with Andy.
And you filling up all the
flower 6 tonight.
dark.
Oh
That's all
wow.
liquid.
No, it's dried up. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Maybe. Okay. So.
Don't take anything we say. That's a credible source. Oh wow.
Where's the froggy?
I want a swan dive. Oh my god. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
You come to us all of our tickets places. You have to come.
Guys, it's super moist and muggy in here. I feel all my pores opening up. Gorgeous, gorgeousness. I have a weird obsession with lily pads. I think they're beautiful. If you haven't noticed, most of this trip is nature based, and that was the point. To kind of get away. It's good to be one with nature because sometimes city living can get a little toxic, you know? Thoroughly enjoying this trip. I love this.
Oh my god, one looks like it has 2 tumors. Really? Look, it's the algae eater right there. That is cool.
Oh yeah, look, it's not even in there.
See? It just happened.
Is it there? Oh, it's not here.
I pressed my head against that.
The tank.
Oh, the tank.
But why does it hurt?
I don't know. You gotta jump on that thing, kind of really so you want with the tank? You know, good as tank.
But it hurt. It was weird. It feels like a bruise. That glass can have done that shit to me.
It just came out. There's a banana tree.
Remember they used to chop the ones by MIA Satellite Learning Center?
Oh.
Outside there were
No bananas.
Yeah, there were bananas. Outside of MIA Satellite there was fucking
That's
trees.
so cool.
And
Princess.
Look that way.
Can you guys tell we're super extra?
Look.
Damn. More extraness. No. Are these carnivorous?
yeah.
I love carnivorous plants.
Everybody dies in here.
It's like a baby one. Wow. Yeah, we saw that.
Fucking grapefruit. He's eating the plants. Oh my god. Look at my finger. No. Look my finger. Where's it at?
He's so cute.
But he's eating the plants. Or she. Or non-binary.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh. Saying hi.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. Or she. So sweet.
Non-binary. Longer than a foot.
Oh, made a new friend. Oh my gosh. We are way too extra. We just left. Someone got married. Yeah, I'm down for sangria.
Alright, let's go cha-cha-cha.
Yeah.
Not that dramatic. See, once we get down here, we start curving in.
You saw?
How do you stay straight?
I don't think you do. You just roll with it. Okay.
Hey, you sure you don't want to roll down?
I'm totally sure.
You'll feel drunk.
I'm already drunk.
No, don't.
We made friends. Happy 27th birthday.
Rolling.
This is where I got my food at right here.
It smells so good.
Yeah, like definitely.
That's the strongest sangria I've ever had.
I think she has some insidious
The whole time.
I mean, oh look, my eyes are so light.
Dude, you've always had light eyes.
I know, but I forget.
There's a Safeway over there.
It's gonna go fast. I'm sleepy.
So what do? We get numbers and then we'll get 4 numbers then. There's a Safeway over there.
Trying to get ice cream on Mother's Day. Bad idea. We're just a little tipsy. Trying to get some ice cream. We just took an Uber over to Mitchell's. I've never been, but they're saying it's supposed to be like one of the best ice cream shops. Maybe I'll never know. Hey, what's happening?
I guess it's on.
Hey, picture. Cute! It's really cute. I love it. Dude, those are sick. They're cute. Huh? Right?
Instagram.
Wait,
is it Humane Society? Dark or
okay. Huh? I don't know. Getting ready for an adventure.
Yeah!
I'm terrified of dropping my phone. Oh, this is so cool. Tell me, girl. This is cool. Look, there's a seal.
Oh my god.
Do you see him?
It's so sick.
Hey, buddies. Oh, so cute. You guys, I am at the airport again, about to go home. I'm sorry I look a hot mess, but this is how I feel. It was so hard to get back here. The last thing you guys saw, I think, was going on that train. It's called the skunk train. That was super cool, but after that, it took 4 hours to get back to San Francisco, and we almost died. I was driving, and it was raining really hard, and the road was super windy, and I was going too fast, and basically fishtailed, and it was horrible. I almost cried. I cried, actually. But, yeah, I'm going home. I'm so excited. I missed home really bad, you guys. I was so homesick the last 2 days. It was fun, but to be honest, I really, really missed home and my husband. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm home. Hopefully tomorrow I'll vlog. But yeah, it is about 6:30. We board at 7. Flight leaves at 7:35. So I'm excited to go home. So excited. There's SFO. But yeah, my hair is horrible. Haven't washed it in a few days. But yeah, I'm excited to go home. See you guys later. Guys, it's been a solid 9 days since I came back from San Francisco. Hi. Sorry I have been kind of gone again. So this week I had my car here. Well, let me start from the beginning. So that last day in San Francisco was pretty rough. Like I said, it was raining super hard. Everyone was really tired. And at one point it was my turn to drive, and it was a super windy road, and I lost control. I know I was going too fast. And yeah, almost got us killed. I feel so bad about that. Yeah, so never again. But I'm back. I survived. Harley's on the table again, sorry. But yeah, it's been 9 days since I got back from San Francisco. I've just been catching up to the real world, which I totally left behind. I'm so glad to be back. Like I said, I was homesick, but now I'm back in the real world. Bittersweet. I had my car in the driveway this whole time while I was gone. My husband went and picked up the car from the shop. But when he came back, he's like, oh, hey, we didn't pay the registration. So it's like, damn it. So I've had the car this week, but we didn't have money until today, which is Friday, payday. And we just got back from getting all that done. We went and got the smog checked. We went and paid all that registration fees, all those fun fees. And now I have a car, and I drove my car for the first time in a month and a half. And I am so happy. I missed it. I feel super productive now that I have a car. It's funny how just having my car back makes me feel way more productive. I actually did my face, which if you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing me without makeup. So sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It had nothing to do with Poshmark or reselling or anything. It was just a little glimpse into my life with my best friend, who I've known for, what, like 14 years? I want to say. Sounds about right. 13, 12 to 14 years. She's the very first friend I met here when I moved to Las Vegas as a freshman in high school. So I love her so much. We both have been going through a lot of stuff, and our little trip to nature kind of did us well, I think. Like I said in the video, sometimes just city living and not resting is hectic, and it takes a toll on you. So go out there, go to parks, go for hikes, do anything you can to get you away from the hustle and bustle, because it's exhausting. So that was nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It was just interactions with me and my friends. And yeah, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Electric Hanger. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys. While I was away, I kept seeing followers on Instagram and YouTube, which is not a lot. I know it's not a lot, but to me it's a lot, because 2-3 months ago, I had no idea I was even going to do this. So thank you guys so much. Love you. I'm going to have another video out soon. It's going to be awesome. I'm basically going to dress up my my husband. Excited for that. I'll see you guys soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.